What's up, guys? It's One Bad Coyote again with my car. We're going to be talking about the exhaust setup on my car versus my cousin's car. As you can see, we're one mean coyote. Yes, we're a dynamic duo. Ha ha ha. People say that we have the most loud and obnoxious cars out there for an S550 Mustang, which I truly believe. And obviously, he believes it too. Why? Because people keep commenting on his page. Why is it so loud? Yeah, they're pretty close. Even at car meets, we get the same thing. Why are they so loud? How are they so loud? What are you guys doing? We're trying to be like yours, but we can't do it. So we're going to break it down from the back, and we're going to let you know what's going on from the front to the rear and why it has that sound. This man, he has a two-step. Two steps are different. They're really meant for launching, but they do sound nice, especially with this sound setup. This exhaust setup is crazy. I have a verbal tune, popcorn tune, whatever you want to call it, crackle tune. That's what I have. Makes the car sound even better, gives it that pop bang. Anything that you're thinking of to piss off your neighbors, go for it. Hit me up in the comments, I can definitely let you know who to tune it through, what tunes I think you should get. But let's get it from the back and let's see what's going on. Alright guys, so now we're at the rear. Let's talk about this beauty and this beauty. We're going to get to mine first. Attack catback. Call it a catback for a reason. The catalytic converters in the back to give you a deeper I went to the BBK and I purchased their long-tube BBK headers for 2015. X-pipes weren't fitting, so I created a custom X-pipe. It fits perfectly into the exhaust, gives it that loudness, that obnoxious sound that everyone's looking for in all their cars. We're going to get over to this car. Got the 4.6 Extreme catback. Once again, going from the cat's back. That's probably not the case on all the cars, obviously. He's also got 4 set headers. It's a matching piece. It's a couple. That's really what it is. It's a custom X-pipe as well. This car is not just as well. It's got a T-step. T-steps are a little different, like I told you. I got the verbal tune. Verbal tunes are different. As I'm decelerating, you start getting popping. Let us know in the comments which one you think sounds better. One Bad Coyote, Mean Coyote. They're both 2 different sound setups, and you can probably run it on your Mustang and sound just as good. Let's get to it. Alright, that's it. Here it is, man. Dodge Demon is in play right now. It's ready to go. That's it.
Like I said, the Dodge Demon, she's roaring right now. The Dodge Demon is roaring like a freaking dragon. So let's get to his car right now so you guys can hear his and let me know which one is louder, man. Alright, here we go. Just gonna start talking.
Alright guys, the Hellcat is ready and started. Let's get those clips. Like I told you, it's got that low pitch, that deep tone. Let's see how she sounds.
Let's hear this bad boy. Come on guys, tell us whose is louder.
You heard the cameraman's in my ears. Rowdy setup. So, like I said, it's that BBK long tube headers to a catless X-pipe to the Borla Attack exhaust. Everything carbon fiber, especially. It makes it even sound better.
I got a question for you. Do you like riding around like this?
Yes, I do.
Because I couldn't do it.
Why not?
I don't know.
Your car is just as loud, though.
That ain't my car.
Oh, whose car is it?
It's yours.
I own both now. Got the Dodge Demon and the Hellcat, baby. Let's go.
What is this man doing, man?
Oh, sorry about that, guys. I thought we were still in the rear. We're going to get back to it now. Thank you again so much for watching these videos. That was the exhaust setup on One Bad Coyote, my car, and the exhaust setup on One Mean Coyote, my cousin's car. You gotta let us know which ones are louder. Before we came out here, we heard coyotes. Now that we're sitting here, hitting these gas, doing everything that we're doing, I don't hear nothing. I think they're all dead at this point, which is great, because now we got two badass coyotes. But back to what I was saying. Please let us know which ones are louder. If you do see us in public, we're more than happy to rev it for you. If you see us at a car meet, it's okay. You just come up to us and ask us to hear it. We're 100% fine with that. We love the sound of our cars. That's why we have them. Now, I'm gonna get down to it. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications on both channels, and please let us know what's going on. We love to hear feedback from the community and from the people that watch our videos to see exactly how these cars are standing up to most of the cars out there. Again, thank you. Have a great day.